As COVID-19 crisis hit the world, global community is in total panic with an explosive spread of the coronavirus. ASEAN, a new growth engine, proves no exception. ASEAN is fighting against COVID-19, one vision, one identity, one community. Facing such an unprecedented pandemic, collective efforts towards recovery and resilience are critical in this region. Korea, the global vaccine hub, and HIRA, the center of K-Health system, will work with ASEAN for the ASEAN e-government cloud system for infectious disease response. K-Health system is the breakthrough under the COVID-19 pandemic. In June 2021, the spotlight was K-Health at the G7 summit. Global community paid tribute to the achievement of Korea on the COVID-19 response. Behind the successful response to COVID-19 was HIRA's advanced healthcare disaster response system using ICT technologies. Evaluates the cost and quality of healthcare services and manages nationwide health resources. HIRA sets the scope and standards of healthcare services covered by the National Health Insurance. HIRA collects and connects health data across the country in a centralized way and then utilize data for further use to create values in healthcare. ASEAN e-government cloud system for infectious disease response, which is built on the HIRA's excellent ICT capabilities, has four major pillars. PIS, which tracks and traces pharmaceuticals for infectious diseases. ITS, which identifies susceptible patients with overseas travel history to countries hit by infectious diseases. DUR, which detects COVID-19 high-risk groups and supports safe prescription of drugs. PIPS, which manages health resources needed to respond to and contain infectious disease outbreaks. With 3T strategies, testing, tracing, treatment, the system rapidly detects and traces cases, treats patients fast, and curb the spread of infectious diseases by managing the medical history of patients. In particular, the system prevents the future spread of the virus through rapid vaccine distribution and vaccination. ASEAN e-government cloud system for infectious disease response enables the comprehensive management of health resources to diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. ASEAN e-government cloud system for infectious disease response implements a standardized common system for ASEAN. Without initial capital investments, ASEAN can cost-effectively manage the health resources. No need to build a data center in each country. Data analytics of healthcare services and resources is powerful to devise the countermeasures against the emerging infectious diseases. ASEAN e-government cloud system for infectious disease response promotes the health information exchange in real time. ASEAN is the key neighbor and valuable partner to Korea. Close cooperation and exchange, ASEAN and Korea are promoting the common development. Korea is committed to ASEAN not only overcoming the COVID-19 crisis, but also making moves towards universal health coverage and health systems strengthening in the ASEAN region. Korea, the global vaccine hub, will collaborate with ASEAN.